So what are you planning for 2024? I'm planning to make a lot of love this year, and I'm inviting you to join me. This painting, What If Love is the Only Answer? The original is much bigger than this. This is just a fine art print of it. But it was created during a time of real strife in the world and in my life. And I shifted my energy and created huge change as I created that painting and dug deeper into the power of my heart. So this is my call to arms for you, that we help as women lead the way as warriors of the heart to create big change in our own lives that in turn changes how we move through the world and changes the world around us. It's the only way to create change. Clearly, politics and wars and opinions are not doing anything. So if you believe similarly and you want to harness the feminine power of your heart and your intuitive wisdom, your sensuality, your creativity, let's get out of fear mode together. This programming that the world has put us in a place of lack and scarcity and not enoughness. And let's choose from a place of abundance and trust and belief in our own power. You know, as a single mom, this is where the rubber hits the road for me this year, because I gave up a much more lucrative career to do this work in the world. And I have to either quit or take even bigger risks. But I believe in the courage of conviction and going against all of the outside influences for me to reach for security first in my emotions and in finances and the decisions I make in the world. I'm instead choosing to go within and ignite all the fire I have inside to do what I believe is right and make big love. I think we can see that our cup isn't so empty, right? It's really a perfect container waiting to be filled. And I'm committed to rising above this lack. And I'm thinking there's probably others like you out there that are feeling the need for big change and a big shift in the world. So if you too want to make a lot of love in 2024, I invite you to join me in the Round the HeARTH Women Circle, where we enjoy an intensive one-on-one coaching experience together. It's a 3-month program. It includes live painting workshops. It includes wonderfully beautiful and mystical Tantra rituals, as well as guidance through my Radiant Heart Rising course. So if you're interested, I invite you to click the link below to get all the details. I only have 5 spots available, so I hope you are one of them.